Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carla, and in today's video we are diving into very interesting topic, which is Upstart and the revolutionary approach to lending. If you are considering a personal loan, whether to consolidate debts, cover on unexpected expenses, or make a large purchase, Upstart might be on your radar. Let's break down everything you need to know for from application to approval and see why Upstart could be a game changer for your financial needs. Let's get started. Upstart isn't a traditional lender. They use artificial intelligence and machine learning to evaluate the borrowers, which means they consider more than just your credit score. This can be particularly beneficial for those who may have a short credit history but are financially responsible. Primarily, Upstart offer personal loans that can be used for a variety of purpose. Whether you are looking for, like I mentioned before, to consolidate debts, fund a personal project, or cover medical expenses, or something else, Upstart provides a flexible lending structure that you can consider. The loan amounts can range widely, giving borrowers significant flexibility, which is a good thing. Getting approved by Upstart is different from a traditional bank. While they consider typical factors like your credit score, their model also looks at your education, job history, and even area of study. This means that a recent grad from a good job but little credit history might still qualify for the great rate. You might be wonder about the nitty gritty. What is the minimum credit score that I need to apply and get approved for a Upstart loan? Generally, Upstart requires a minimum score of 600. But remember, they look more they look at more than just the number or the score. As for the interest rate, they vary based on your personal profile, but can be competitive anyway. So especially if you have a good educational background and job stability, you are eligible, or you have a lot of chance to be approved. Which credit bureau does Upstart pull from? Typically, they pull your credit score. They pull your credit report from TransUnion. So it's good to know your status with this particular bureau before applying. If you're finding this video helpful so far, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget my free VIP group that I host in the school platform for more financial insight. I will leave the link in the description box below. Coming back to the subject, if you are looking for a personal loan to cover some personal needs, you can get pre-qualified and get a rate in 5 minutes if you go to their website. And this won't hurt your credit at all, is unless you want to proceed. Also, with this institution, you can get funds as soon as 24 hours, which is amazing. And you can get low fixed rate starting at 7.8 APR. But I mean, remember, everything is a process. Everything is about related to your credit score, your credit history, and all of the other factors that they are considering for this. So just be on the look. But that could be a good APR, but also I believe is the minimum. Upstart has between 1,000 and 50,000 personal loans amount that you can get approved in the usually rates between 3 years or between 3 years to 5 years loan terms, and the APR in the wide range between 7.8% to 35.99%. Like I mentioned before, these rates are going to be determined depend of your profile. And you also have the next day funding. You have lower rates and no prepay penalty. 99% of the application get the money the next day, so after accepting the loan. So this is a good deal because you will have a really fast cash in your pocket or in your account. Now let's weigh the pros and cons On the upside, Upstart's AI driven model can make credit more accessible if you are starting out and if traditional metrics don't fully capture your credit worthiness. The downside, it might not be as competitive if you have an established credit history with excellent score, whether conventional loans could offer lower rates for you. More on the pros, they accept borrower new credit. They are fast funding. You have the option to change your payment date. You have option to pre-qualify, which is a soft credit pull or soft credit check, so it won't hurt your credit. And also, you have 7-day customer service availability, so that's good too. On the con side, they also may charge origination fee. There is no joint or co-sign loan. So if you are not, if your creditworthiness is not that good, you cannot have a co-sign person to get your loan approved. Also, they do not offer direct payments to creditors on debt consolidation loans either. To maximize the benefit with Upstart, ensure your job details are up to date. Consider improving your credit score before applying if it close to 600. And also, you should check their loan terms. That way, you have knowledge of everything that they offer and you are well um, informed about these products. Being well prepared can not only increase your chances of get approved, but also secure your better rates. Upstart offers a modern tweaks of lending, so I think this is a good choice. If you, like I said, always you can pre-qualify and you can go from there. A soft pull won't hurt your credit, and if you are approved or pre-approved, then you can go from there. Upstart focus on more focus on more than the number. For many for many it's basically a open door that traditional bank might keep closed for people. Consider all factor and see if Upstart aligns with your financial goals and your financial needs at the moment. That way you can go from there. And that's it for all. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions or experience with Upstart that you would like to share, drop a comment below. I would love to hear from you. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and check out my free VIP group that I host in the school platform for more financial insight. Keep your finance chart and investment in smart. I will see you in the next one. Bye.